Everyone in the world deserves the right to a healthy life. Unfortunately, access to healthcare professionals isn't available to everyone equally. Geography can affect the cost of healthcare and its availability. Can technology alone solve this problem? More than a third of people say they check with Dr. Google when they feel a symptom coming on. But with the abundance of health information online, along with fake news and ad bots, people are supplied with a mixed bag of valuable resources and misleading or bad information. Sprout is a wellness platform that is backed by real-life doctors, providing you the tools to diagnose and take charge of your health, while bringing together patients, pharmaceutical companies, healthcare and payment providers. Combining humans and technology, Sprout's advanced AI is capable of breaking down billions of symptoms, while a real-life doctor works in tandem to provide the best outcome for patients. This approach enables Sprout to affordably provide a quality healthcare experience to anyone, anywhere in the world. By seamlessly pulling together global and local resources in a unified platform, Sprout is able to provide a digital diagnosis while recommending hyper-local medical services. Through a personal health dashboard, Sprout empowers people to take charge of their ongoing health while creating your own health file history. The digital dossier makes it easier than ever to get health insurance, and processing healthcare claims is quick and easy. Everyone deserves the right to a healthy life. By combining humans and technology, Sprout is able to make top quality and cost-effective healthcare available to everyone.